Relax, listen, and speak naturally. Welcome to English IRL.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to English in Real Life channel.
Hello, my friends. How are you today?
Today we are going to practice something very useful: how to talk about yesterday in English.
Yes, we will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand.
If you are a beginner or intermediate learner, this episode is made for you. Let's start. Hi Laura, how are you today?
I'm very good, thank you, Jack. And you?
I'm great. So Laura, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday? Let me think. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and had breakfast.
That sounds nice. What did you eat for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast with coffee. After breakfast, I went to the market.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
I bought some vegetables, fruits, and milk. Then I came home and cleaned my room.
You were very busy.
Yes, I was. Now it's your turn, Jack. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I woke up late. I woke up at 8:30. I didn't have time for breakfast, so I just drank coffee and went to work.
Poor you. What did you do at work?
I had many meetings. In the evening, I went to the gym and exercised for 1 hour. After that, I cooked dinner and watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched an action movie. It was very exciting.
Now, dear friends, let's learn some important grammar.
Yes, when we talk about yesterday, we use the simple past tense.
Here are some examples. I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth. I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I cleaned my room. I watched a movie.
Regular verbs add ed. Talk becomes talked. Walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked.
Irregular verbs are different. Go to, went. Eat to, ate. Buy to, bought. Have to, had. Sleep to, slept.
Remember, yesterday, last night, last week, all use past tense.
Jack, let's talk more about yesterday. Did you meet any friends?
Yes, I met my friend Adam in the evening. We went to a small restaurant.
Nice. What did you eat there?
We ate hamburger and apple pie. We talked about work, family, and future plans.
That sounds good. Did you go anywhere else?
No, after dinner I went home. I read a book for 30 minutes and then I slept. What about you, Laura? Did you meet anyone yesterday?
Yes, I met my sister in the afternoon. We went shopping together.
What did you buy?
I bought a new dress and some shoes. My sister bought a gift for her friend.
Nice. How was the weather yesterday?
The weather was very good. It was sunny, but not too hot.
Perfect weather. I like sunny days. Yesterday, it was also nice in my area.
Jack, did you study English yesterday?
Yes, of course. I studied English for 45 minutes in the morning. I practiced listening and speaking.
That's great. I also practiced English. I listened to a podcast while walking. Jack yesterday was really busy for both of us. Sometimes I feel like the day passes too fast.
Exactly. Yesterday, I wanted to relax more, but I had too many things to do. Did you feel tired yesterday evening?
Yes, a little bit. After shopping with my sister, I felt happy, but my legs were tired. What about you?
I was also tired after the gym, but cooking dinner made me feel better. I made some salad and fried chicken. It was delicious.
Oh, nice. I love simple home food. Yesterday, I helped my mother in the kitchen. We made spaghetti with meatballs together.
That sounds lovely. Family time is the best. By the way, did anything funny happen to you yesterday?
Yes, I forgot my wallet at home when I went to the market. I had to come back running. It was so embarrassing.
Oh no, that happens to me too. Yesterday I forgot my phone charger at the office. I only realized it at night.
These small things make life interesting. Even though yesterday was normal, it was still a good day.
Yes, every day teaches us something new. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today.
We hope you learned how to talk about yesterday naturally in English.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends.
In the comment box, tell us, what did you do yesterday? We read all your comments.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more daily English practice.
See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.
Bye-bye!
Thanks for spending time with English IRL tonight. See you in the next conversation.